Alright guys, Dirty Diesel here. I'm installing these rain guards. I want to make a note. These rain guards have a lip on both sides there. This keeps it straight. I ended up buying two pairs because the first pair didn't do that. You can see how it sticks out further. That's for the back window, so it could pop out. That's one of my favorite things, is to get air flowing through so you don't get that whomp through your window. The other set that I have sitting right there in that plastic right there is just straight. It didn't allow for that window to open up. So now I want to show you. This one is the good one, but it actually fell off because I didn't know that you had to put it behind here. So I've loosened this. You got to put it back behind here. The wind will take it and then rip off. So here, I'll show the other side. There's my little doggers. They're not exactly little, but this side, see, I pinched it under that. So you loosen them up, and then so this actually ended up being two sets, because here, I'll show you this. The second set doesn't have a lip there, so it was like sunk in weird. You could see how it's all curved there. So it's weird. I had to use the front set from one and the back set from another. So it's kind of sad that the sets I found on eBay didn't fully work. But this one, even though it's so short, it's just a little curved. It's no big deal. So I got to take and put some new tape on the other one and get it back on. Because see this lip here, that bevel, that keeps it nice and straight. So I like the front set from one and the back set from another. Make sure when you buy them that it has that angle. You know, if it looks like this, let me pull it out. Sorry, I'm flopping the camera around here. You see how that's straight? It won't let the window open. You see how much bigger that one is in the back? That lets the window open. So it's kind of messed up. Maybe you could find the right set. Maybe not. I spent $30 on one set and $20 on the other. This was the $20 set. I suppose you could see, and I didn't pay attention, that this has no bevel, and you could see that this does. So if you could get the bevel and the large rear, you're set. But basically what you do is, let me do another walk around the truck here. You basically just pop this thing off right here, and you loosen these. These are 11s. There's 4 of them. And then you stick the, oh, doggy wants in the truck. That's Tina, guys. That's my little red pit. She's a sweetheart. Yeah, the sweet little pig. So you loosen up them 11s, and then you slide it barely back underneath there and get it along that lip edge. And that's it. So I'll keep this short and sweet. Dirty Diesel out.